Hello everybody, it's Kashmir here, and today we're going to learn how to maintain your groove. And how we're going to do this is that we're going to put an advanced arm movement on top of a basic groove, which is the bounce. And by doing this at the same time, you're going to not only learn how to do something with a higher difficulty, but also learn how to keep the hip hop while adding some different things on top. Okay, so how we're going to maintain the groove is that we're going to take many different elements and do them at the same time. So first we're going to take the bounce, which is one of the most basic grooves in hip-hop, and then we're going to add an arm movement on top of this. We're going to learn 3 different ways to do this, and each time you're going to go up in difficulty, right? So, bounce, arm movements. The next difficulty is bounce, arm movements, stepping. And then the third one is bounce, arm movement, stepping, and turning at the same time. So what I want you to achieve by doing this is to be able to be free to bounce and keep the hip-hop essence while you add an advanced movement on top without losing the hip-hop.